Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello, my dear students. Today we will study the first chapter of class 10 English book Footprint Without Feet. The chapter name is The Triumph of Surgery. Dear student, the name of the chapter is indicating you, making you tense, making us tense that which kind of surgery is being happen in the chapter. Triumph means victory by surgery. So let us read the story and find out the solution which kind of triumph of surgery was. Dear students, this story begins with a very prosperous, charming and emotional lady whose name was Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey was having one dog whose name was Tricky. In Mrs. Pumphrey's house there was many servants, but nobody was as close as her dog Tricky. That is why Mrs. Pumphrey tried to provide all the nutritional foods to Tricky. She was very prosperous. There was nothing remained in her family. So she tried to provide everything. Means in the morning, afternoon, in the evening, proper lunch, dinner, breakfast, and between the lunch and dinners, provide Horlicks, provide even brandy, provide the alcohols, provide sweets, and so many kinds of material to Tricky. That is why Tricky got so healthy, lethargic. Tricky was unable to move properly. One day, when Mrs. Pumphrey was just walking in the lawn with Tricky, she and Tricky was seen by a man from the road. The man was James Harriet. And James Harriet was a vet doctor. And James Harriet was also a good friend of Mrs. Pumphrey. So as James Harriet was a vet doctor, so he just concentrated over Tricky and he understood that Tricky condition is not good. He is being so fat like the bloated sausages. He immediately come to talk to Mrs. Pumphrey. He advised her, please stop feeding him with a lot of junk foods, otherwise it can create danger position to Tricky. But on the place of listening to the doctor views, Mrs. Pumphrey told him, no, actually my Tricky is suffering from malnutrition. That is why his condition is going to be worse. James Harriet told and advised her, no, this is not good answer. Try to cut the food items. Otherwise, your Tricky could be in danger. Okay, he was a doctor, so he left the place, moved to his hospital. After a few days, Mr. James Harriet got a phone call. A worried phone call by Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey was so worried and anxious about Tricky. She told him that Tricky condition is very poor. Tricky is unable to stand up and continue vomiting after vomiting. Let us come and see. Mr. Harriet realized that Mrs. Pumphrey not followed my instructions, my advices, and the Tricky condition is right now worse. So Mr. Harriet not sent any other doctor, any other members of the hospital. He himself go to Mrs. Pumphrey's house and told to Mrs. Pumphrey, now the serious is critical, the condition is critical, so Tricky have to be hospitalized. Mrs. Pumphrey was so worried, she was tense, she was just weeping at that moment. But as the doctor's suggestion was the last suggestion, Tricky was sent to the hospital. Mrs. Pumphrey was crying up. The scenario of the house was fully sad, and on seeing Mrs. Pumphrey crying, all the members of the family started to cry. And along with Tricky, there was so many materials kept in the car, like the lunch bowl, breakfast bowl, dinner bowl, Horlicks, and so many other things, cushions. And as the facility at home, the same facility was transferred to the hospital by Mrs. Pumphrey because she liked Tricky so much. James Harriet realized, let's come Tricky to my hospital, I will just cure. The Tricky moved to the hospital, and James Harriet didn't provide anything to eat him for the next 2 days. Keep in mind, Tricky was in the hospital. James Harriet just threw him into one room and didn't provide for the 2 days except water. As Tricky was so lazy, because every time he got the food items one by one without asking, so he thought in the hospital also somebody will come and provide me all the eating material. And James Harriet didn't provide him, only the plenty of water. After 2 days, Tricky thought, if I will not be energetic, then nobody will come to provide me the food items, brandy, wine, Horlicks. And on 3rd day, Tricky just moved towards the mess. And till the Tricky moved toward the mess to take the food, the remaining 1 dogs have taken and cleaned the tables. There was nothing in the plate. Tricky was so hungry, and he only just licked the plate and come back. Next day, Tricky again go to the mess to eat. So he was in so hurry, he was just walking and running to go fast so that he could get something to eat and to fulfill his hunger. After that, day by day, Tricky started to get improvement, because by his own leg he was running and going to the mess collecting the food items. He realized, if I have to survive, then I have to go to mess, I have to eat whatever I am getting. No choice is there. After a few days, Mrs. Pumphrey make a phone call to Mr. Harriet. She asked the condition of Tricky. When Harriet told it is little bit improving, so what she did? She provided once again brandy and eggs so that Tricky can enjoy in the hospital. But Mr. Harriet didn't provide anything to Tricky, but after all, along with his hospital member, he enjoyed everything. And he didn't wanted to leave Tricky to Mrs. Pumphrey because they were getting so many things, edible things. But after a few days, the Tricky condition was very good. Tricky was energetic, and Tricky was making exercise, daily running, walking. So Mr. Harriet make a phone call to Mrs. Pumphrey and told that let's you come and take your Tricky back. But be careful, otherwise the condition can once again be worse. Provide only little eatable material that is required, not too much extra things. Okay, so Mrs. Pumphrey come to the hospital, and when the Tricky sees to Mrs. Pumphrey, just jump over there into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey was crying loudly and loudly, and she told it was just like a tramp of surgery, that his dog which went into the hospital into the lap of a pillow now coming into her laps. So my dear student, this story tells us, the story signified that the parents should not be indulgent which may harm their children. Love and affection is very important, but excess of anything is harmful. So this is the story, my dear students. In short, I am telling you, there was a dog whose name was Tricky, living with Mrs. Pumphrey. She was very prosperous lady, The dog condition was worse because of eating too much. Went to the hospital. Doctor didn't provide eating material. He was only making exercise. Very soon got cured and they went back to Mrs. Pumphrey. This chapter gives us lesson that excess of anything is harmful. So my dear student, I hope you like this story. So please read the story by the textbook and ask the question. If you need to ask, I have given you solution of the chapter through the WhatsApp group in PDF. Kindly do all the work in fair copy. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.